in 2024 as a life insurance agent is completely dead, and here's why. The first reason is because you're giving away 20, 30 to 30, even sometimes 50% of your profit margin away. If you're not generating your own leads as a life insurance agent, the question I really want to ask you is, do you feel like you're actually a business owner? A business owner owns their marketing and sales and able to fully own these processes, because if you don't control your flow, you don't control the business that you have. Now, the second reason why this is super important and why I really believe that buying leads is completely dead in 2024 is because of the new FCC ruling. This ruling states that all leads and people who actually become leads and fill out the ads, you have to be calling for insurance. The reality is most people who are selling leads, most leads that you're buying are not people who are actually filling out a life insurance ad. They're probably filling out other ads that you're just getting sold. This is why you need to start generating your own leads in 2024 to be the most profitable and most efficient agent that you can.